Hello guys, what's going on? Yes, that's right, I got some new vacuum cleaners. Over here on the left we have a Hoover Windtunnel 3 Pro Pet. It has an automatic cord rewind with a HEPA filter. It's got all the height adjustments down here. Has the dirty filter or clog indicator right here. If it's red, that means there's a clog. Came with a red crevice tool, came with the stretch hose. And only things that were wrong with this vacuum, number one, it needed a new belt because the old one was extremely stretched out, and number two, it needs to be cleaned out. It's missing the turbo brush, the power switch is right here. It has a headlight right down here. That works fine. I'm going to give this a quick run, show you what it sounds like. Got pretty good suction. Oh yeah, it's got red bristles too. That's nice. So that's this vacuum. Then here we have a Bissell Powerforce Helix. This is a Bissell model 1700, made on the 105th day of 2016. This one pretty much has the same problems as that. This one needed a new belt because it was stretched out and it's super dirty. Other than that, it works fine. Let me show you. Also has pretty good suction. I think this one is even dirtier than that one. Holy crap. Well, test them out really quick too, why not? Alright, and then this one, let's see. Yeah, so those are the vacuums. I hope you like them. I got these from my friend's mom today. So I'm going to clean them up and I'll make some videos with them. So stay tuned.